Hi, it's Laura Lynn, and I wanted to share with you one of my tips for when I'm stitching a nose on a synthetic bear. Now, after I've outlined the nose, sometimes this part gets a little fuzzy. Then when I'm stitching, some of the fur shows through. It's not showing as much with this nose as it has on other noses, but it's a good example to show you what I do. What I'll do is after I've outlined the nose, I'll get my Aleene's Stop Fraying, and then I'll put just a little bit of the Stop Fray, which is a type of glue, and then use my toothpick to gently spread it around. If you need to add a little bit more, go ahead. You want to be careful. You don't want to have it go over outside of the lines. And you can do this on a mohair bear too. And then this will help keep those fuzzies from showing through your nose. Now just wait until that's dried and then finish embroidering your nose. I hope that helps.